Hello viewers, today we are going to see 10 interesting history quizzes. First question, when was the first general election held in India? 1947, 1948, 1951, 1950. Answer 1951. General elections were held in India between 25th October 1951 and 21 February 1952. They were the first elections to the Lok Sabha after independence in August 1947. It was conducted under the provisions of the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on 26 November 1949. Election to most state legislatures took place simultaneously. Second question, who was the first president of India? Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, V.V. Giri. Answer Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was an Indian independence activist, lawyer, scholar, and subsequently the first president of India in office from 1950 to 1962. Third question, when was Chennai High Court established? 1947, 1850, 1847, 1862. Answer 1862. The High Court of Judicature at Madras, one of the three high courts in India established at the Presidency towns by letters patent granted by Her Majesty Queen Victoria, bearing date 26th June 1862. Fourth question, in which year the power of the East Indian Company was transferred to the British Crown? 1860, 1855, 1858, 1856. Answer 1858. On August 2, 1858, less than a month after Canning proclaimed the victory of British arms, Parliament passed the Government of India Act transferring British power over India from the East India Company, whose ineptitude was primarily blamed for the mutiny to the Crown. Fifth question, who is the first citizen of India? Prime Minister, the President, Home Minister, Vice President. Answer, the President. Sixth question, the English weekly edited by Mahatma Gandhi was Bombay Times, Navjeevan, Young India, Harijan. Answer, Young India. Young India was a weekly paper or journal in English published by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi from 1919 to 1931. Seventh question, what year did Mother Teresa win the Nobel Prize? 1979, 1977, 1978, 1987. Answer 1979. First woman to win Nobel Prize from India was Mother Teresa. The Norwegian Nobel Committee has awarded the Nobel Prize for 1979 to Mother Teresa. Eighth question, what is the largest river basin in India? Godavari, Ganga, Narmada, Mahanadi. Answer, Ganga. It is one of the largest river system in the world. The melting water from the Himalayas as well as the water from tributaries and rainfall all feed the sacred river. There are 20 river basins or draining areas, large and small, in India. The Ganga basin is the largest. Ninth question. Who was the founder of Mughal dynasty in India? Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Babur. Answer: Babur. Daulat Khan Lodi, the governor of Punjab, and Alam Khan, the uncle of Ibrahim Lodi, invited Babur to invade India. He accepted the invitation of Daulat Khan Lodi. He then fought the first battle of Panipat and killed Ibrahim Lodi. His victory led the establishment of the Mughal emperor in India. 10th question. Which is the biggest multipurpose project in India? Bhima project, Chambal project, Bakranangal, Ganga Sagar. Answer: Bakranangal. It is the largest and the most important multipurpose project named after the two dams built at Bakra and Nangal on the Sutlej River. It is a joint venture of the Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan states designed to harness the precious water of the Sutlej for the benefits of the concerned states. Thank you, viewers.